everyone, and welcome back to another video. I know I have not posted a video in a while. I have been on the struggle bus lately, but I am glad to be up and moving around and feeling better and able to post a video. Today's video is like a morning kitchen clean with me. As you can see, it is in disarray, so I'm just going to be getting that back together. In the morning, I usually start by just feeding the kids fish real quick and then do whatever it is I'm going to do. So I'm just focusing solely on the kitchen, and I do straighten up the half bathroom that is right next to the kitchen. So I'm just starting with the dishes to get that out of the way. This is my least favorite chore. I'm just gonna speed this up and clean the kitchen. Not much really needs to be explained. I'm probably just gonna be going through and cleaning pretty much every room in my house little by little. I did end up getting COVID, and I was in bed for about 2 weeks straight, and then the third week I spent kind of recuperating, trying to slowly get back to feeling like myself. But so yeah, it's been a rough couple of weeks, and the house kind of just fell apart. So slowly but surely, I am getting it all back together. So I hope you all enjoy this cleaning video and it brings you much motivation. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm gonna stop talking now.
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise, and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise, the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV. It's full of pain, but we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist where you always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts, we always say it. We're the good part, we never fake it. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that, kinda like it like that. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like
Let me tell you about me. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run, run. You don't know what I mean. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep, beep. I don't care about you. I just care about me. So you better run, run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it for. Run back home to mama, let's go. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run away.
Now here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care